In this video, we will see a website, Brush Easy, where we can download free brushes that we can use for Photoshop mainly, but also we can try it with the Gimp, which is free and open source. So just look for Brush Easy on the web. Click on the first link, open the website, and you will find free brushes mainly, but also premium if you want to have like a premium version of Brush Easy. So you can see we can use Photoshop brushes, ABR format, but also PSD format and other formats we're going to see shortly. Now, we also have other options, not only brushes here, but also videos, photos, and vectors. But these bring us to another website, which we already talked about in other videos, which is Vecteezy for vector graphics and images and photos, etc., etc. And then we have VDC for the videos. And also here you have like pro versions, premium versions, and standard free version. And this is what we're gonna use today. So we're gonna go in Brush Easy. In the first page, you'll find a lot of proposal for brushes. Probably these are the best or the most popular. And so you can go directly from here, or you can do a more specific search by using the search bar. So I'm searching for kind of a splatter effect, like paint or ink splatter. I can also go in the top brushes right here and I can browse by category, but let's go for the standard search. So once you finalize here the search, you can also go into more in depth if you insert more keywords. So I can go, for example, into ink splatter, and then I find something more specific and more and more. I can go on and on. And also at the top, you find the premium, and you can see how many free brushes you have down there. So you have the possibility also to change the order and also define specific format, like for example, PSD for Photoshop, or brushes, which also go for Photoshop, or actions and so on. You have textures, etc., etc. Also, you can filter by license type if you're interested, and you have premium and Creative Commons, etc., etc. Now, what I'm going to do here is just pick one of these ink splatter that came out with my search, and I can also proceed. There are like 13 pages of this, but let's go for this first one right here. So I'm going to click, and this is a bigger preview where I can see a little bit better, and then I have the button on the right. I can click there, just wait for a few seconds, should start automatically. If it doesn't, you have a little link where you need to click, and that's gonna bring you here. It's gonna open the download folder. You can change the folder, you can save it whatever you want. I'm just gonna go for downloads folder, save it, wait a few seconds, and then the file is gonna be available in the download folder, which I can open also from here. Usually you have a opening button from the browser directly. So this is my download folder. I'm just gonna extract. So right click, extract the zipped folder, and now this is the actual file. So remember, you need to extract, otherwise it won't work. And now you can see this is an ABR brush file. It's not a PSD. So for the ABR files, we need to copy them and paste them in the correct folder. So I'm gonna right click and copy, or Control C, and then I'm gonna move in the folder where, or Photoshop or Gimp, they have all their brushes. In this case, I'm gonna use Gimp, but you'll find also a Photoshop video course in the channel, a Gimp video course in the channel, and everything you need. Just type what you need in the search bar. So this is the directory right here we need. And in my case is C users, the name of the user, app data, roaming, Gimp, because I'm using Gimp to do this demonstration. And in the brushes folder, we're gonna go in the brushes folder. Now we're gonna do this all together, but just wanna show you the directory. So here you need to paste it. So copy from the download folder, paste it into the brushes folder. Now, if I go all the way back, you can see the steps here. So you need to go also from C to users, to your name, user, and into app data, which is a hidden folder, and then roaming, and then Gimp, look for Gimp, version of Gimp, and then brushes. Remember, you need to unhide the hidden folders if you want to see the app data folder. And then that's it. We just paste it in here. So once you do this really quick and easy operation, you're ready to go. I'm opening Gimp here, but same goes for Photoshop. So I'm gonna go into File, create a new document so we can test the download and the install of the brushes. I'm going for a standard A4 paper, and I want to make this white, but you can also like do white on black or black on white, depending on your necessities. And here I'm gonna go in the paintbrush tool, and down here I can select different brushes. I'm gonna see here that I have the ones that I've just installed available. So I'm gonna pick one of those just to test it. And once it's ready, I can start to paint in many different ways. I can paint once, just clicking once, or I can do strokes, but in this case, I just want to show you once. And I want to invert the white and the black, the back and the forward color so you can see. And there you go, we have our brush. So this is a really easy operation you can do. You have a lot of brushes you can download and use. And this will be all for this video guide. If you want to stay updated, join the channel. And also if you want to support us, join the channel to thank us and help us to create more videos. Otherwise, you can just subscribe and stay updated with the following videos, video courses, etc. You can already check them in the channel. Thank you. See you in the next.